Hello, welcome to Stallion Innovative Machines. We manufacture international standard notebook binding machines. We have about 18 machines in our product range. We have now about 16 machines on display only for your demonstration. Let's have a look. This is a Samrat machine. The operation of this machine is to cut and glue the binding cloth, which is in the roll form. It does the operation as per the distance you set in the touchscreen, and then it delivers on the conveyor belt. You can pick it up and paste it on any surface like box, files, or notebooks. This is a special economy model of Samrat, specially meant for cost cuttings. Then we also have a manual machine wherein you can feed the binding cloth from here and it will be glued and it will come on the conveyor. This range is particularly for binding cloth gluing. This is a sewing machine for center sewing of notebooks, passbooks, answer papers, diaries, and many applications. This is an offline machine. We also have an automatic line for the same. We have a complete range for wire stitching, that is spinning, right from 2 sheets to 2 inches. If you want to stitch, we have a solution for everything. It starts from Pin Master, that is a single head machine with manual feeding. It goes up to 6 or 8 mm. Then this is Pin Master 4 head. That stands for where you can mount 4 heads. You can do center as well as side as well as flat center stitch. And also it comes with a counter. It is useful for notebooks, leaflets. You can also mount loop heads on this. This is a M19 machine manufactured by Deluxe Stitcher International in USA. It comes with this G20 head. It can stitch up to 2 cm thick book and useful for side as well as center stitch. We also convert this into M19 Stitch Master, which is an automatic solution for thick jobs side stitch. This is a Stitch Master machine. It comes with single head. It is our first model. It can be utilized for checkbook side stitching or small pocket book stitching, and also notebooks, versatile operations, side stitch as well as center stitch with programming. This is our first manufactured machine, Tape Master, which is now a patented technology. This machine is used for putting the cloth or tape on the spine of the book, and may it be any kind of book. Section sewn like this. This is a composition book. It can be section sewn. It can be a pad. It can be diaries, duplicate book, files for its edges, and it can also put any substrates like binding cloth, paper tape, BOPP tape, PVC tape, any material that you want. So this is the main machine of our product line and our most favorite. We have a fully automatic line that can do thread sewing as well as wire stitching in the same machine. It has 8 different operations that start from center sewing, full cover pasting, wire stitching with different heads, but it is a programmable wire stitching machine. Then folding of the book, giving it a square edge perfectly on the square machine. Prestar is for front trimming, and Cope is for trimming the book into pieces. On this machine, you can make multiple books like composition books, counter books, wire stitch books, spine tape books, all in the same machine. So if you have a versatile requirement and if you make different type of books, you don't need to have different machines or different lines for this. In one machine, you can do multiple operations. We want to welcome you at our factory to have a look of the machine, the running demo, the performance. We'll be happy to welcome. Thank you. At Stallion Innovative Machines, we want to make versatile, long-lasting notebook binding machines that will be absolutely value for money, will work at the maximum performance, and will appreciate your cost and value.